Philharmonic! Hello! So this week, we're doing something totally different out of the norm of our usual practice. We are going to be creating something that I'm calling a composition ladder. So you'll see that there's a PDF that if you can print it out, that would be great. If you can't print it out, then you can look at it on a computer and edit it in a PDF editing program, or on an iPad. You should be able to write on it. And what we're going to do is there are 8 lines of 4-measure phrases, and I've written some of the notes in, but there are some measures that are completely blank, and they're there for you to write in whatever notes you wish. So for example, if we look at the very first line, there are 4 measures, and there's a whole note in each measure. Here, I'll see if this works to show you this way. A whole note in each measure, and then the last measure of the line is blank. And above it, I've put in parentheses that there should a whole note should go there. So you will choose any whole note that you wish and fill it in that blank measure. And then the next line you'll see are 2 half notes. And remember, your stems can go up or down, and so 2 half notes, and you can choose any notes at all. And as you go through, you'll see there are different kinds of notes, some quarter notes, some eighth notes, some combinations. But each time I've written over the measure exactly which kind of notes and how many you should be writing in to your music. So you're going to be choosing the notes themselves and using the rhythms that are written above as your guide. And most importantly, once you've filled in notes in every line, on the next page there are 12 bars of blank staff, and that is for you to combine all of your measures in any order that you choose. And you can put them in the order that they're written, or you can do them backwards, or you can do it totally random. And that is your composition. So once you've arranged your measures however you wish to have them, then I want you to send me a picture of that, as well as your other worksheet, and I want you to record yourself playing through your measures 1 through 12. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to play each one of our composition ladders, each rung of our ladder for you, so that you have an idea of what you want the next part to sound like. And you also should go through and play these, okay? Phrase number 1. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Blank, 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 blank. So that's your measure to put in one final whole note to finish that phrase, okay? Also, make sure you look at our key signature. We are in G major. Here's rung number 2. I'll count myself in G major. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there you'll fill in 2 half notes. Rung number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 quarter notes go there. Number 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. That's your chance to do 8 eighth notes. Number 5. We're going to have some combo rhythms here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. if you're looking at your sheet, you'll see that that last measure gets 2 quarter notes and 1 half note. Number 6. We're going to have some notes in the middle of our phrase this time. So you'll hear me stop and count, and that's where you'll fill in. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1, 2 and 3. 2. Rung number 7. So once again, we're going to have notes in the middle of our measures on various beats. So you need to listen for the counting. Rung number 7. Ready? 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 4. 2. 1 and 2 and 1, 2 and. Okay, so that one's a little trickier. It'll definitely help to be looking at your paper. But since it's a little trickier, we're going to do that one again. Rung number 7. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 4. 1 and 2 and 1, 2, and. Rung number 8. Once again, we're going to have lots of notes in the middle. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 3, 4. 3, 4. Okay, I hope this is really, really fun, and I cannot wait to hear your compositions.